In Arabic, we call it demonstrative pronouns, the plural, asma'ul ishara. Asma'ul ishara. Okay, this is probably the second time in the book that he has given some grammatical terms. He gave them for the prepositions, and now he's giving them for our demonstrative pronouns. Okay. So asma'ul ishara, right, is how you say demonstrative pronoun, and then the first type, lil qarib. And then the second type, asma'ul ishara lil ba'id. You see, so he gave an example. Hadha Muhammadu. Right? So what do you say about it? Hadha, why you say hadha? So anytime you use hadha, what comes after it must be masculine and singular. Hadhihi aminatu. Anytime you use hadhihi, what comes after it must be feminine and singular. Okay? Dhalika, hamid. Anytime you use dhalika, what comes after it must be masculine and singular. Okay? Tilka Zainab. Same thing. Has to be feminine, however, and singular. Okay? Okay? And so that is lesson 7. Lesson 7. Okay? 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 You should pre-read lesson 8. And when we say pre-read, that means you should write down your vocabulary words. Okay? The class is not, I mean, maybe some difficult words, but everybody already know how to use a dictionary, so you can look up, if you write down your words, and then you should look, if any words, you should look, at least attempt to look them up. And then if you don't know how to, if you found difficulty, then you can bring that up in class, and we can talk about how to actually look that word up next time. But not just, saying what this word means, tell me the meaning of this word, as if that's going to help us. Okay? All right? We good? Kemisa.
11:47.
Okay, good. All
He
right.
said back taught me slow. No, but you notice about the language, they pick, when they were naming stuff, they was thinking
No, it's
about
not
it.
they.
Allah
Allah told Adam. Remember?
Oh, that's right.
It goes back.
So how come, what about English?
English is a made-up language.
Yeah, because look, we were talking about that this morning, how
English is a made-up language. It doesn't have an origin.
Yeah, that was like as far as like how they come up with new words.
I don't want this to sound like a stupid question, but was Arabic the first language?
No.
It's not like a real word.
No, it wasn't.
Okay, I'm this part about Adam. I need to understand this now. Okay, because I'm confused at this point. I need to understand what you're saying. So so Allah told Adam names of everything.
Everything.
Okay, so he knew it in
everything.
I know he knew everything, but like in all languages, or was that the language used at the time? That's just what I want to know.
Arabic, is Arabic.
Arabic wasn't the first language. I mean, it's no doubt in that. Arabic was not the first language spoken.
Okay.
That's right.
But
you know what's interesting is it's very close.
There we go.
Very
to the first language.
The first language.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Like we have even more ancient than Arabic. You have Aramaic, which is more ancient than Arabic.
I know about the Aramaic, but so whatever.
The Nubian. When you look at like the
hieroglyphics.
Yeah.
All these all these are languages.
Like how we say shake.
Yeah.
They said they had words like shekel, but it had like the same meaning. Or like some of the words are very close. Like even
so it kind of just morphed a little bit as time went on.
Right.
And it's like, you know what? They had an article in Encyclopedia Britannica on the origin of language.
Yeah. And it's just like with people. I mean, it's not a wonder why you have some people from one part of the world, other people from another part of the world. In terms of race, why you have, we all know where what we called it, the cradle of civilization.
Yeah.
What is it?
Africa.
Huh? Africa? Maybe some people might be in denial.
Oh, the Fertile Crescent.
Maybe some people may be in denial. Right? And then who comes out of the hills and the mountains of Europe?
The Caucasians. Yeah.
They even agree with that.
Right? I mean, right. I mean, if you look at, I mean, we're not woolly and hairy for a reason.
Yeah.
I mean, we want to get an anthropology. This is you know, I mean, it's a reason why we look the way we look, and Caucasians look the way they look. It's because of the body. Over time, it adapts. Even animals adapt to their region.
Okay. Yeah, that's right.
And so even with languages, things like they evolve and they change to, or they adapt to the circumstances or the situation, the conditions. It's not just a one-sided thing. Mm-hmm. So the thing about Arabic is that you find that what I'm looking for, the language itself, in terms of what things mean, or they go hand in hand.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Like, I know no other language.
Right, and that's the thing. So
it's like it's almost like Arabic is what the word is truly what it is.
Right, that's the thing.
Right. Even when it comes to the word that you use for grammar, like it means this guy that does this.
Because it's a common sense or logical approach.
Yeah.
And there's no wonder why Allah chose it to represent the last revelation.
Because it explains.
Right, it's in full detail. That's what Allah says. The Arabic is fully explained. Okay? All right. Okay.
I just wanted, I didn't know if you had come across it, because I spoke to Muhammad Mendes about it. It was interesting, because when I was reading I did a search on the origins of Arabic, the origin of the Arabic language. And in the article it said that Arabic came from a city in Iraq. They put
Kufa?
Napata, right? And what was interesting, I remember, and then underneath it, it said there's a lesser accepted theory that Arabic is a southern Semitic language from the areas of Ethiopia and Sudan. And I remembered that in ancient Nubia, one of the capitals of Nubia was Nabata. And it was almost like the same exact name for the city as what they were saying started in Iran. Iraq. I just thought it was interesting because having read some of those old books, when you read Arabic, it is so closely, like it sounds so similar that you can see like Arabic, Aramaic, Hebrew.
And they talk about, again, the Civil Next was talking about the tribe of Jundu from Yemen. And them guys, then it talks about like all those different languages, the Hebrew and Semitic.
Okay, I need all of you to open up to a clean sheet of paper. Okay. You're gonna write in a column. هذا ليس امتحان. This is not a test. هذا ليس بامتحان. هذا ليس بامتحان. هذا ليس امتحانا.
This is not a test.
امتحان test.
Yeah, nothing in your hand.
Like empty hand.
Yeah, nothing in your hand. Empty hand.
This is not a test.
This is not a test.
All right.
It's not with empty hands.
Okay. We're gonna write it in a column. Okay.
So we separate into two columns?
No, I'm not saying. I'm saying we're gonna write in a column format.
Okay. All right.
Okay. First word, masjid. Madrasa. Bait. Maktab. Maktaba. Mal'ab.
Yes, sir. Did you just send me an email or something for me?
A
Okay.
That's Hans Weir PDF.
Oh, word? You sent me the whole thing or the link to it?
The link to it.
You know what? I ain't messing with you.
I'm sorry. Yo,
What was that? Why me? Wait a minute, hold up.